Welcome back to Turtle Media, where we are starting to fix this beautiful Fiat Panda, which is going to one of you lucky winners. If you want to know how this car could become yours, stay tuned. We'll let you know how you can get it at the end of the video. But first, we got to get this old exhaust off, find out what the problem is, and I think it's going to be a replacement job. Back box 91.
Nah. That's savage.
485.
Nah. Save 20% off, Jan 20. Rubbers are sound.
Clamp, £4.
Did you say cheapest 90 quid?
For the back box, yeah. 90 quid.
Straight on.
That is what it is. So after finding out how expensive that was, I get on the phone to some of the suppliers, try and find a cheaper one. I head off and go and pick that one up, while Chris decides it's time to teach our young apprentices a little bit about keeping tyres at the right pressure.
Yeah, it's coming out.
It's okay, you can put the cap back on then. To do it really, really tight.
Don't know if I can do it tight. That's blocking it.
Good job, boys. That good? That easy?
Yeah. Other way.
No, down. Yeah. Good job.
So now all our tyres are at the correct pressures for the rest of the winter. I'm back from the suppliers with the new exhaust. It is time to crack on and get this new back box installed. Right, so we've got the old exhaust off, and I think that's perished. So if you follow me, I've just picked up all the way from car spares brand new rear back box. So obviously we want this car to be as good as possible for the next owner. So let's get this installed, and hopefully she sounds a little bit healthier. So now me and Chris are fighting with the old rubbers. Just going to move them over to the new back box, and then it's time to get it back under the car and back onto the brackets. Okay, so that's rear back box sorted. So now we're gonna sort the front bit out. As you can hear, it sounds a little bit better, but we've now got to contend with the misfire and the exhaust at the front. So while Chris carries on with fixing the front part of the exhaust, I'm going to carry on with the stereo, sorting all the wiring out with that, and then I'm going to move on to the lights at the back and try and work out why this indicator is not working. So Chris has sorted out the front part of the exhaust now. I'm working on the rear left indicator, which seems to have a bit of an issue with the plug. So I'm just trying to work out why the plug's damaged and potentially a short. So we're inspecting and testing and trying to find out why the indicator and the brake light seem to not want to play ball.
Nothing.
Perfect.
It is.
Fixed.
By doing nothing. Just cleaning that thing.
Here's wires, isn't it?
Yeah.
Over back there, I reckon. Or
That one cut wire.
see these connections on the end of there. So it is the plug.
Can you get any more? Can you trim that wire and refeed it on? Or pull it back together and hope?
So we didn't just put it back together and hope. We've ordered a new plug. That'll be here very soon. We'll get that one done on the next video. But for now, we're just going to put it back together, ready to put it back in storage. So that's pretty much the end of this video. We've made some good progress so far, but we've still got a bit of work to do. We've got the alternator change coming up, we've got the brakes change coming up, we've got the full service coming up, so stay tuned for them ones. Thanks very much to everyone who shared it so far. We've already had quite a few people in contact with us, so stay tuned. If you think you know anyone, we're going to let you know how you can get hold of this car for yourself. Remember, the end of January is when the car's going. Right then, so we've sorted the exhaust, we're working on the lights, they're nearly done. We've got a new back box on it. So while we carry on fixing it, you get in touch with us, let us know. It's going to make a good car for someone. There's still plenty of life left in it. We've got the alternator to sort out, so keep an eye out for that video. We've got the brakes to sort out, keep an eye out for that one. And if you know anyone who needs a new car, who's in a bit of a struggle at the minute, or just somebody who's learning to drive, can't quite get the money together for a new car, this one's going to be sitting here waiting. So get in touch, like the video, share, subscribe, share it around. We'd love to give it away to someone local in Tamworth, just outside of Birmingham. We can even drop it off if you're that close, but if you are willing to travel and come and get it, let us know, and we'll see you on the next one.